So hello guys, back to a new episode. Last episode I got the 1J in the car. As you can see, this is pretty. In this episode I'm going to make the front subframe, because in the last episode I cut this off, so there's nothing in between with the steering and everything. So I need to build a new one, and this one I have welded up here is the jig for where the steering is gonna sit, so it doesn't move the position from the original spot. So now I'm in the mock-up phase. I've been mocked these up with the two pieces, one 3mm plate on each side. I cut them up and they are here. This is one of them. Let's see if I can find the other one. Over here somewhere. Oh yeah, over here. So these two, one on each side, and then I'm gonna take a 1-inch pipe, and right now I'm actually bending the pipe, so I get some nice bends on it, and I'm gonna bend it. It's gonna sit over here and bend over here, so it bends a little bit up and in, and welded to this one, and the same over here. We'll see how it goes. Just got it in place, flush everywhere. Weld these in place and over to the next with it, which is doing some flanges for these, like one on the bottom and one on top. So move on. By the way, I also took the engine out, and of course you can see that it's over here now. The engine mounts looks like this. So I just made some brackets for the steering racket, a little steering rack. Cut these out, welded them on here too. Also welded these. Not the prettiest welds, but pretty okay. So I'm just gonna do these bottom brackets. I need some brackets on the bottom too. but it's starting to get pretty late here in the shop, so I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna finish off those things next time I'm here. Then I'm going to do the plumbing for the power steering pump, and it's gonna be a long night. Do the other stuff. I also been thinking about the 2019 season. I don't really know what I'm going to do, because as of right now I just got another baby, so I have 2 kids. It doesn't work close to my home, so I'm away 4 days a week or something, 5 days a week. Just got a new car, and there's a lot of stuff happening for me in 2019, so I'm is a little bit unsure if I'm going to be driving at all, or get money to get it all in working condition. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I will keep you updated. That was all for now. See you in the next one. Bye.